Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo Super riser. The Super riser is designed primarily to precisely position a small camera in any position. It is ideal for confined spaces, such as car interiors. However, its flexible design gives you unlimited mounting possibilities. The bottom part of the Super riser consists of a heavy-duty metal ball adapter, with a female 3/16 thread for mounting on any tripod or any other 3/16 male thread. The heavy-duty ball adapter features a ratcheting handle to lock down its position. Within the ball receiver, there is a notch that allows you to tilt the riser extension 90 degrees. The top part of the Super riser consists of a two-section aluminum extension that extends from 10.7 to 17 inches in length. The extension is secured by an aluminum brake casting and knob that provides positive locking and enhanced durability for years of dependable use. The top of the Super riser has a metal base plate with a 3/16 male thread designed to accept a small ball head or any other accessory with a female 3/16 thread. Let's mount a small POV camera to our vanity mirror using a 6-inch suction cup and the Super riser. First, we will thread the Super riser's ball adapter onto our Kupo 6-inch pump cup with 3/16 male thread by turning it clockwise until snug. Now we will thread our mini ball head onto the 3/16 male thread on the top of our Super riser until secure. To mount our pump cup, simply remove the green cover and place against a clean, non-porous surface such as this mirror. Pump the white button repeatedly until the red line is no longer visible and maximum suction is achieved. Now we will mount our quick release plate by threading the 1/4 male thread into the tripod socket of our camera. Place the quick release plate in the quick release adapter on top of the ball head and turn the knob until secure, and give a quick check to make sure it is properly mounted. Next, loosen the ratchet handle counterclockwise and position the ball adapter where you'd like. Loosen the aluminum knob on the riser section counterclockwise, extend to your desired length, and tighten until secure. Lastly, tweak the camera position using the ball head. You are now ready to capture your high-priced, sexy actor in action. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.